Code reviews used to take me an hour. Now they take 10 minutes, and they're more thorough. Here's exactly how I use Claude Code to review pull requests without sacrificing quality. Hey everyone! Code review is critical but brutally time-consuming. The bigger the PR, the more cognitive load, the more things you miss. Claude Code doesn't replace human judgment, but it handles the mechanical parts, spotting obvious bugs, checking style consistency, flagging missing tests, and summarizing what changed. Let me show you my exact PR review workflow. The simplest approach: check out the branch locally, then ask Claude Code to review it. Use the built-in /command/review, which triggers a structured code review of the current branch's changes against main. Claude will analyze every changed file, summarize the purpose of the PR, list potential issues, and flag anything that looks risky. For a quick check before pushing your own PR, run it on your own branch first. It's like having a senior engineer do a quick pass before you ask your teammates. The generic review is good, but a focused review is better. Tell Claude exactly what to look for. For a security-sensitive change, review this PR for SQL injection, authentication bypasses, and any input that reaches the database without sanitization. For a performance change, focus on database query counts, N+1 patterns, and anything that could cause slow page loads under load. You can also point Claude at specific files if you already know the risky areas. Focus your review on auth.py and database.py, those are the sensitive parts. Claude Code has a built-in /security review skill that does a deep security audit of pending changes. It checks for OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities, hard-coded secrets, dangerous function calls, and insecure dependencies. I run this on every PR that touches authentication, payments, or any user data. The false positive rate is low enough that it's actually useful, unlike some static analysis tools. Here's a workflow that saves even more time. Ask Claude to write the actual review comments you would post on GitHub. Give it the diff and say write review comments in the style of a constructive code review, referencing specific line numbers. Then paste the best ones directly into GitHub. This is especially useful for giving feedback on code from junior developers. Claude helps you phrase things constructively. The hardest reviews are on code you don't know well. Use Claude Code's ability to read the entire codebase as context. Ask it to explain what the changed files are supposed to do before reviewing the PR. Understanding intent first makes the review dramatically better. Claude can also compare the PR against existing tests to spot coverage gaps you'd miss by just reading the diff. Be honest about the limits. Claude doesn't know your team's unwritten rules, your product roadmap, or your on-call pain points. It won't catch this change will break the deployment pipeline because of the way we do migrations. Domain knowledge, architectural vision, and team context still require a human. Use Claude for the mechanical layers, human reviewers for the strategic layer. My PR review workflow now: Claude Code does the first pass for bugs, style, and security. I add domain knowledge and architectural feedback on top. Reviewers on my team spend less time on obvious issues and more time on the things that actually matter. Try this on your next 10 PRs and tell me if your review quality